In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mass find and delete duplicate files from OneDrive. If you've noticed your storage filling up or the same document appearing multiple times with slightly different names, this quick cleanup will help you get organized and free up space without much hassle. First, open OneDrive in your web browser and head to the home page. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you're seeing the files you actually want to manage. Once you're in, go to My Files. This is where all your folders and documents live, and it's the best place to review everything at a glance. Next, we'll make duplicates easy to spot. Click Sort near the top of the file list, then choose Name. Sorting by name groups items with the same base file name right next to each other. That means copies labeled with endings like 1, 2, or copy, or similar patterns will appear together, making them much easier to identify. You'll also see the modified and size columns, which can help you decide which versions to keep. Now go through the list and select all the duplicate files you want to remove. Use the checkboxes beside each file. A helpful approach is to keep the version you trust most, often the one with the latest modified date or the largest size if it contains more content, and select the extras for deletion. If you're selecting a range, you can click the first file, hold Shift, and click the last in that group to select them all at once. If you need to pick individual items across the list, hold Ctrl or Command while clicking. Take your time here. A careful review now prevents accidental loss later. With the duplicate selected, click Delete at the top toolbar. OneDrive will ask you to confirm. Click Delete again to proceed. This moves the selected items to the recycle bin in OneDrive, so if you spot a mistake shortly after, you can still restore them from there. That safety net makes it easier to confidently remove clutter. And that's it. By visiting My Files, sorting by name, methodically selecting the extra copies, and confirming delete, you can quickly clear out duplicates and keep your OneDrive tidy. Repeat this process for other folders if needed, and consider doing it periodically to prevent duplicates from building up again. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more organized OneDrive.